And today, it's about what is a breakfast that you can make today. You already have the ingredients, and it can help you to start losing 20 pounds. If you don't have weight to lose, it's going to help build your satiety. It's going to help rebuild that microbiome so that you have healthier, brighter days. That's what this breakfast is all about. Well, here I'm going to get started with this is just overnight oats. That's all it is. It's that simple. And I guarantee you, if you follow the steps that I give you to a T, you will start losing weight with this breakfast. So let's get started. Our ingredients are going to be yogurt. So I have my own personal made yogurt. And if you don't have your own raw milk yogurt, that's okay. Just buy the best yogurt you can from the grocery store. We're going to use some oats and we're going to use fruit. That's it. And then if you want, we're going to add some water. You can add some other ingredients. We'll talk about it. But literally, that is all you need for a healthy breakfast to start your day. Okay, so let me just go ahead and get started. There's a couple key things that you have to do correct for this to work. And number one is you're going to need a scale. Many times we eyeball something and next thing you know, we thought we were eating a 200-calorie breakfast and we're eating a 400-calorie breakfast. It all comes down to measurements. Now, I didn't lose my 60 pounds by counting calories or macros and micros. It wasn't that. It was just eating real food that God called good according to the 3 principles. Well, everything I'm going to show you today fits that. But if we aren't paying attention to the quantity, we can have what's known as portion distortion. And that can work for us or against us. So here's what I want you to recognize. So go ahead and get 3 jars. And if you just have any type of condiment jar that you've saved with a nice colored lid, or you have your own mason jars, we're going to go ahead and make 3 breakfasts real quick. So you're going to need a scale. So this is this is the OXO scale, and it's just real simple to use. All we do is we put our measuring on there. So you can see my scale went up. So I went to zero that out. And I'm going to add 1 ounce of oats. No more, no less, just 1 ounce of oats. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in. You can see I'm at 7/10. And so then I only want, there we go, right at 1 ounce. No more. That's all you need. On top of this, we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of yogurt. All right, so I'm very much in favor of whole yogurt, whole milk yogurt. No low fat, no non-fat, because God made it as a whole fat. And so in order for you to have the satiety, for you to have the hormonal balance, you need healthy fats in your diet. And one of those healthy fats is going to come from real fat food. So I guarantee you, if you follow my videos between this one, I'm sharing with you breakfast, and I'll have other videos coming out about the perfect lunch and the perfect dinner. If you follow that plan that I'm giving you, you will lose 20 pounds, basically in about 2 months. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add this to my cup. The measurement doesn't really matter anymore, the weight, but the measurement of the yogurt does. And then I'm going to add whichever fruit I want, and I want about 4 ounces, but I'm just going to go ahead and spoon these in. And so just top it off with this. And this is all you need. Now, since this is going in the refrigerator and for tomorrow's breakfast, and the oats are not cooked, then you would just go ahead and add some water because the oats are going to absorb the liquid from the yogurt. So I'm just going to add about 1/4 of a cup of water just to moisten those oats. Now, that is it. That is your breakfast for tomorrow. If you're going to have it today, then cook the oats in water first and mix it up and you're good to go. So that is my breakfast. Now, there's a couple elements you can add to it to just enhance it.
Struggling with cravings, fatigue, or confusion about your health? You're not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck. Get the free Bible Health ebook and discover 7 powerful steps to real, lasting transformation God's way. Break emotional eating. Learn what truly satisfies. Align your health with God's truth. This is your breakthrough. Get your free Bible Health ebook now on the website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It's time to take the first step toward vibrant health, both physically and spiritually.
All right, so you could add some chia seeds. So I could just sprinkle in some chia seeds and just to get a little bit of extra protein and some fiber. Or I also have my 3 seed mix, which is where I mix together my flaxseed, chia seeds, and hemp seeds. And I did a video of this so you can kind of get an idea, but really you just mix the three. So I could do this instead of the chia seeds by themselves, or I could do it in addition to, and that's it. That is your breakfast. And for the most part, I don't put any sweetener in it at all. No stevia, no monk fruit, not at all, because I want to reduce my dependency on sweet foods. And I'm telling you, this is the perfect breakfast for losing 20 pounds. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and make 2 more. Now, if you want to go ahead and increase the nutritional quality of your oats, then you would flake your own oats as opposed to buying them already flaked, or whether they're steel cut or quick cooking or regular old fashioned. If you go ahead and flake your own oats, just go ahead and get some oat berries, put it in your flaker, then you will get just a tastier oats. They taste so much fresher. They just have just a better feel in your mouth. They are so much more amazing, and the nutritional quality went way up. Now, if you also want to change it up, you could also flake some grains other than oats. You could flake wheat, barley, buckwheat, emmer, einkorn, whatever you want to flake. You could put it in here, and you could have a different variety for your breakfast. They're all going to have just a little bit different levels of protein and fiber, but they're all very good for you. Well, thank you for letting me share this with you. This is just a quick breakfast, grab and go, help you to lose 20 pounds over the next 2 months, and I guarantee it. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel so I can continue to share with you other ways that you can lose weight with a healthy breakfast, a healthy lunch, and a healthy dinner. And this is my joy and honor to serve you God's recipe for excellent health, which always includes the #1 ingredient, which is understanding how much God loves you and He desires to have a personal relationship with you. And He's just waiting for you to call on Him for that purpose. In the meantime, thank you for letting me share this with you. And remember, God has brought you here for a purpose, and He knew you before you were even born, and He desires to have a relationship with you. Be sure and check out The Biblical Nutritionist, and also check out The Bible Diet, and where I teach you everything you need to know about how to just change your diet over to being a healthy Bible diet, and you will see amazing results in your health. Thanks for watching.
Struggling with cravings, fatigue, or confusion about your health? You're not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck. Get the free Bible Health ebook and discover 7 powerful steps to real, lasting transformation God's way. Break emotional eating. Learn what truly satisfies. Align your health with God's truth. This is your breakthrough. Get your free Bible Health ebook now on the website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It's time to take the first step toward vibrant health, both physically and spiritually.
Are you ready to have more fun in life and not be plagued with sickness and tiredness? At the Reclaim Retreat, we see transformations happen as soon as you arrive at this anointed place, a sacred space where God is at work and you can truly rest in His presence. Join a community of like-minded individuals ready to reclaim their health, their joy, and their God-given purpose. Come be refreshed, be renewed, be transformed. Spots are limited. Save yours today. Register now at biblicalwellnessretreat.com and reclaim what God has already promised you.